So, my dear friends, today we are taking a speaking session, and here you have a topic. What do you think that children are the responsibility of parents only? So, child care is the responsibility of parents only. So, you have to express your views. Okay, I think you are ready. So, first I should. Okay, I have got the first name is of Harshit Maurya. Come on, Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is whether child care is the responsibility or of only parents or others also. Uh, Today, I'm in the favor that child care is only the responsibility of parents. I'm in the strong opinion that child care is the responsibility of parents. Uh, uh, Children is hoped to be a great person by his or her parents.
Hmm.
Parents want their children to be respectful, obedient, and a person who is able to do many things in his or her life. Parents are those who feed the children, and parents are those uh, who fulfills the basic requirements of the children,
Hmm.
like the requirement of education, healthcare, and many other facilities.
Hmm.
And it is the responsibility of parents to lead the children to jobs and make him able to get a job and make him marry. And all the parents want their children to be good citizen and to be asset for his or her nation.
Shabash.
And so in my view, that parents are only responsible for child care as they have given birth to their child. So it is only their responsibility uh, to lead them in a good way, and they can make their children able to live in the society or die in the society in many ways.
Hmm.
And, in this world, as we can see that everyone is selfish, and and we can't easily believe at anyone, and and so parents do possible things as much as possible things as they can, and children follow their parents as they say, uh, if the parents give good uh, good manners to his good manners to their children, then he or she will be able to respect elders, and will be asset for the country. And if they would not have given them good manners, then he would be criminal. And uh, in this life, only parents provide guidance to their children and motivate them to not to deceive, not to defeat in this life. And all the parents want their children to grow up as much as he or she can. Parents do their best. They give best coachings, best schools on and healthcare facilities to their children.
Hmm.
They can uh, they can do compromise with their self, but not
Hmm.
their children.
Hmm.
And they inspire their children for high visuals in the society,
Hmm.
like to be a good citizen, to be uh, to be at a post that has more respect and value. And by keeping these points in my mind, I can say that it is the responsibility only of parents. That's it, sir.
Very good. Nice. Nice expression, beta. Shabash. Keep it up. And yes, and now I am calling Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about the about today I'm telling that child care is only the responsibility of parents.
Mm,
As well as that, this is the law of nature that parents give birth to their children and take care of it.
mm,
And because as we know that everybody, most of the people in the world are selfish. They think about themselves only, and there is only your parents and your family who think about you and care for you, because parents have given birth to you, and this is their main responsibility to take care you, parents uh, parents take care of a child very much. They fulfill their all requirements, and give and they always teach their children to do good things,
mm, mm,
and also present good examples and activities
mm,
uh, in front of their children, so that in future in future their child must be a good citizen and can choose a right path for him or her, or for the country,
mm, mm.
and uh, pa- and parents take care of their children till he or she get married and get a job,
Very good.
and that and they सर उसको क्या बोलते हैं सर, आशा करते हैं सर.
They hope.
Okay sir, they hope that children should their children should take care of them, and
Mm,
and and after getting married and getting job, it it goes upon the children that he it goes upon the children to take care of their parents,
mm.
and and so and this way I can say that this is the responsibility of parents only to take care their children, sir. That's it.
Shabash, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Perfect. Nice explanation. Shabash, beta. And now I am calling Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harshada, and today I am in I am in favor of parents that children should be the responsibility of parents only.
Mm,
As we know that this is a law of nature that if a person gives birth to a child, then it is his or her responsibility to take care of him.
mm,
And children are the hope of their parents. Every parent wants that their child should be handsome, smart, intelligent, obedient,
mm,
punctual,
mm,
or respectful.
mm,
And every parent take care of their child till the child become self-dependable.
mm, mm,
Um, and uh, Parents feed their children with food,
mm,
water, and shelter.
mm, mm.
And if a child is uh, if a child is having a medical issue,
Mm,
then who will take care of him
mm.
and who will provide him with the medicine?
Huh,
Only the parents.
good. Very good. Huh.
And children have the right to be feedden by their parents.
Mm,
Children are the hope of their parents, and all the hopes of parents are attached to their child.
very good. Nice speaking. Shabash. Huh. Mm,
Every parent think their child has the responsibility,
mm,
and all parents want their children uh, to be a good citizen,
mm,
and all want that their child should progress in their life.
mm,
um,
mm,
as we know that all the person in this world are selfish, and they all think about themselves.
mm,
uh, Simply in this way only the parents think about themselves, that if they will feed their children in their growing age. Then the parents would be old, when the parents would be old, mm, then then the child would be young and earning, and he or she will feed them.
mm,
And parents are just like just like a man growing a crop,
mm,
because just like a farmer grows a crop,
mm,
he feeds them. He provided the crops with fertilizers, water,
mm,
and a suitable surrounding and climate,
mm, mm,
so that
mm,
the tree or plant can grow easily.
mm,
And then he will take its benefit
mm,
by eating all his materials.
mm,
Simply in this way, the parents feed their children,
mm.
and in their old age, they are feedden by their children. That's it, sir.
Very good. Very good. बहुत अच्छा, कोशिश करते रहो. शाबाश. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today, I'm going to tell you whether a child care is responsibility of parents or society. So today, I'm going to tell you that child care is the responsibility of parents.
Mm,
As we all know that in this world, every couple wants a children, who has all the qualities like honest, obedient, punctual, kind, handsome. These types of qualities are wanted by every parent in this world. And as you all know that it is the law of nature that the person who gives birth to a person who gives birth to a child, or we can or in animals also, like if we can say that the animals, the female animals give birth to a child, so they only take care of the child.
mm, mm,
And by this way only a parent takes care of his child when he is young, and till the child becomes mature. At that till then,
mm,
the parents take care of the child.
mm,
In this way, all parents take care of their child by providing them food, shelter, water, sanitation. All these types of facilities are provided by the parents
mm,
to their children. And as you all know that nowadays all the parents want their children want their child to be at the top of the world and achieve all the good things which he or she can achieve in their life.
mm, mm, mm. Nice
Not
one,
in the
nice one.
not not in the present time. In past also, the parents thinks the same, but the platform was not available for the children.
Mm,
But nowadays, as we can see that in every field there are many scopes for the children to achieve to become a good person in their life.
mm,
And parents have full support with the children in growing them.
mm,
And as you all know that nowadays every parent is doing a very hard to make their to make their child a successful person. As I can take example of my father and mother also. He or she is doing very hard to make me a successful person. And as we all know that in nowadays, we can say that the children follow the paths of the parents, and what the parents do is followed by their children. So it is said that the parents should be good, then the child will automatically be good. And if the parents will go on good path, then the child will also go on good path. So by this we can see many examples also, like we can see that child of politicians become politician because they follow the path of their parent.
बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ.
and
Mm,
child become a sportsman, and because they follow the path and the dedication which their parents has followed, and learn from their parents. By this way, many many children are achieving success in their life, so we should also achieve success in their life and make our parents proud. That's it.
वेरी गुड यार, बहुत अच्छा फ्लो आ गया यार, शाबाश, कीप इट अप, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस। यस सुशील।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am a student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today, my topic is the child care is the only responsibility of parents or others. So today I am in favor of that child care is the only responsibility of parents. As we know that it is law of nature that parents give birth to a child, and parents have a hope that their child will be a handsome and an intelligent boy. And when a child take takes birth in the society, so he needs the parents, because without parents he can't bring up. At the time of childhood he needs food, education, and proper way to learn the things. And for it the parents have to do everything for his child. The parents feed food to his child, and they also provide good education for him, and they also make a good an atmosphere, so that their child can bring up in a good manner. So I think that so at last I want to say that child care is the only responsibility of parents. So that's it.
वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा बोला। नाइस नाइस एफर्ट्स, करते रहो कोशिश, करते रहो कोशिश। यस कम ऑन कोमल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 11, and today my topic is for childcare parents are more responsible, and we all know that all living things give birth to their child, and in strong opinion parents are more responsible to their child care, because parents give birth to their child, and parents always take care of their child and always love him or her, and parents dream have their children become a good person and honest and and self dependent in the society, and parents give their best to become a good child, and parents parents do more efforts to become a good person to their country, and only the only in the world, only the parents fulfill their basic needs like food, water, clothes, and all education system, etc. And and parents treat their child with best treatment, and parents also give their parents also give education to their children, like and we all know that our parents also our first teacher, and they learn us that how to eat, talk, etc. And parents also respect us, and if parents give respect others, so we are also give respect to elders. And parents parents are also good citizens in our society. And parents think that always their child progress in the society and achieve their goals. And and all parents dream that our child become a healthy and wealthy person. And their expectation, and parents have many expectation from their child, and to become a good person and fulfill their dreams. And and uh, parents think that our child become healthy and wealthy in 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 all her and him life. And children also think that our parents become healthy in in their life. And parents parents are parents give efforts best to their child. And uh, parents parents treat us very good. And parents grow up like a tree, and they always treat to their best. That's it, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छी कोशिश करी, शाबाश, नाइस एफर्ट्स बेटा। थोड़ा सा सेंटेंसेस पे और ध्यान देना बेटा, सुना करो अपनी रिकॉर्डिंग, आपको अपने आप पता चलने लग जाएगा क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है ना। चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच।